Yeah, you do.
Oh yeah, she's not got an alternator.
Just handbrake off.
He has.
Yeah, it's not charging. Because I haven't got a bulb in the circuit.
Drag it forward. Keep coming. Yeah, good.
No brakes. They're like fucking Ali G's car. Hot box the fuck.
Fucking hell. Go on, stand back a bit, Connor, and get a decent
But
film
you
video
can't.
of it.
You just fog.
Fucking hell.
You can't even see the exhaust. It's just a smoke. Look, camera just can't pick it up.
Makes my eyes run.
It fucking my throat's hurting.
I got cancer.
It fills the cab up as well, look.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a fucking.
Come on, just start again and run it. Stand on the back and just get a decent shot. Come on.
Where's the exhaust?
Comes out underneath, like. There.
I'll do it from
I
here.
reckon if you stand at the side here so you don't die,
Oh, I'll hold my breath.
yeah, go get a decent video of it. Go on, because it won't start much more. You've got to give it a full boost and try to blow it up.
Jesus.
I drove it back like that.
I fucking drove behind it. I couldn't see
I
shit.
drove it here like that. Fucking.
I can't even. You can't even get it on camera, but the whole fucking. It looks like you got a tyre fire going on.